In today's video, we'll see a simple grape juice recipe. It is quite refreshing and ideal for this summer. To make the juice, you would need some seedless grapes, some sugar, lemon juice, and some water. Wash the grapes thoroughly and add them to a blender. Followed by sugar and lemon juice. I will add in a quarter cup of water and blend this well. If the grapes are sweet, you can reduce the quantity of the sugar. We will now strain the juice to get rid of the grape skin. If you feel the juice is slightly thick, you can add little water and adjust the consistency. Now take a tall glass, fill it with ice cubes till the top, and pour in the prepared juice. So that's it, your refreshing grape juice is ready. Have the chilled juice right away and enjoy. This is an ideal drink to beat the summer heat. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit that bell icon for notification of new videos.